Hi, I'm Mary Rossi, principal of Notre Dame Elementary School. We are a pre-K through 6th grade school here in Utica, New York. I would love for you to come in and see how we can make your child world ready and how Notre Dame Elementary is a wonderful choice for you and your family.
Let us build a house where love can dwell and all can safely live. A place where saints and children tell our hearts learn to forgive. Built of hopes and dreams and visions, rock of faith and vault of grace. There is love, but Christ shall end divisions. All are welcome, all are welcome, all are welcome in this place.
Hi, I'm Carrie Palaio, Director of Advancement. At Notre Dame, our goal is to provide a challenging and dynamic college preparatory program, enriched by opportunities in the arts, athletics, and community service. Our students are exposed to an abundance of opportunities, from the diversity of our academic and extracurricular programs to the spiritual opportunities for service and immersion in campus ministry. However, what makes our school unique is our Notre Dame mission of creating family on campus. Our students come to us from all over the Mohawk Valley, but when they get here, they are immediately welcomed into our family and encouraged to find their unique place at our school. Notre Dame is a place where you can feel at home, a place where you have a chance to be yourself and explore your dreams. At this time, some of our students, teachers, and parents would like to share their thoughts and feelings about our Notre Dame.
Notre Dame Elementary stands for, first of all, a quality education, but rooted in our Catholic faith and traditions. We provide everything that the public schools provide, but we're able to lean on those Catholic traditions that we have.
Notre Dame Elementary is a special place because it's not like any other school. We're a Catholic school and we learn a lot about religion.
When we decided to send him here, the one thing, we met with the faculty, we met with the principal, and just the way they were in terms of how nice they were, how they accepted with open arms, and the safety of the school.
My favorite part of being at Notre Dame Elementary School as a teacher would have to be the students. I look forward to seeing them every morning. I really take interest in what their outside curricular activities are. It just doesn't stop at my classroom. I really do pay attention to what their needs are and what they are interested in, and I try to make myself present at any event that our school is having.
My favorite activities at Notre Dame are we get to do the sock hop and dance and have fun.
At Notre Dame Elementary, I've met many great friends. At recess, we always play a card game. We always go to each other's house at least once a week.
Notre Dame makes my children world ready by preparing them for the world around them, both from a technology perspective, an academic perspective, a cultural perspective. The small community that we have here at Notre Dame still includes such a wide array of people now, thanks to our international program with students from all around the world. The interactions that they have, the people they meet, will prepare them for anything that they face in the future.
Technology is our world now. We can't run and hide from that, so we try to incorporate it at the earliest of ages. We have our STEM program starting in kindergarten. It's a push and pull, and we're just introducing those basics to the kids, the basic vocabulary, the terminology, really how to use the technology responsibly.
I love using the iPads for STEM. We use them to make a kinetic can. The kinetic can uses kinetic energy to move back and forth.
It's just nice to be able to come to work knowing that I love my job. I'm able to talk about God to my children. I'm able to profess my faith, which is very important to me. It's number one to me. And to have like a family away from home, and I consider all of these students like my kids. To attest to my career, I've been able to stay in contact with every kid that I've ever really had in my classroom. So it's like a lifelong relationships that you form in our school.
The aftercare program starts at 2:30 and we end at 5:30. We start off with snacks. We offer playtime. We also do crafts once a month for the children to take home. We offer golf lessons from 3rd through 6th grade every Thursday. And every day at 4 o'clock we offer a homework program. It starts at 4 and goes till whatever time the children need until closing at 5:30. Where there's always a tutor here to help the children with any homework they have.
When our oldest child graduated from Notre Dame Elementary 2 years ago, The most touching part for me was on his last day. He stopped at the front door and took a step back and looked in, and he said, "Thank you for sending me here." And that meant everything to me. And I think that sums up why we chose an education here at Notre Dame for our children.
Thank you so much for taking the time to learn more about Notre Dame and how you can become part of our family.